Okay, so we're about 23 minutes now since all the news announcements happened. This is the candle. I'm breaking it down to the 5 minute. It's like that, and the 1 minute. It's like this. So there's very little range here. The news is out, and we'll have to see how people react to it. I think it's probably at the limit unless there's a breakout here. And I'll show you the news. So here we are, the Bank of England average earnings index 3 months 2.1%, which is a little bit better than I suppose expected. Claimant count charge, if you want to know what these mean, then just click on this icon here and it'll give you the real detail. A little bit better. Green. The voting 009 on these things. So the news is all out, and basically this is the effect that the news has had on the price. And I have to say I would like to see a bit more hesitation, some more red. We're creeping a little bit close to our stop here, but I'd like to see a little bit of selling now coming into the picture. But we'll have to see how it goes. You sort of hear the hesitation in my voice. I was very happy around here with red. I'd like to see a bit more red. I certainly don't want to see green because we're not that far away from the stop, which is 154.60. So this is a little bit of a slightly concerning uptrend here on the 5 minute, although it's about 10 o'clock, almost 10 o'clock in the morning in London. So there's a lot of volume going through, and with volume that moves prices. But it's nice to see that maybe there's a bit of hesitation coming in. This could just be the chop, which happens in markets when there's a lot of when there's a big news announcement, because everyone's taking positions and everybody has an opinion. Everybody thinks they're right, of course, and some people will be right and some of course will be wrong. There'll be winners and losers. So this will develop, I suppose, over the next couple of hours. I don't really know much. I don't know what else to say really, but just wait it out really, and we'll see what happens. Anyway, this is kind of a live commentary that you'd get in a trading room if I was trading and speaking to you in real time live. Obviously you're watching this and it's being recorded by the time you listen to this. This is recorded, but I would be speaking live about certain big economic events and giving you my sort of take on the situation. My take meaning my opinion about how I would position trades. I have no opinion about or thoughts about economic announcements. One reason I don't trade the news is because I don't know what the news is going to be, and secondly I don't know how the market will respond to the news. Sometimes it's quite obvious, you know, if you have a bad or unexpected announcement come out, obviously you would know how to trade that, because if it's bad for the currency then you short it, if it's good you buy it. It's not rocket science at all. However, you never know what's going to be in the news announcement, and that's the big dilemma, because we can't predict that. Okay, from me, Nick, hope you're well, and I hope you found this information useful. Wherever you are in the world today, all the best to you. Bye.